Welcome back to Excel with Mark, and today we're going to be looking at how we can find the range of this set of data that we have. Looking over here, we can see that we have the months from January down to December, and within them we have sales of all different types ranging throughout. Down at the bottom here we can see we have the min, max and the range. So to start out on how we find the range, we need to find the minimum and maximum numbers, and then we can go from there. So starting out to find the min, we're going to click into the box here, we're going to press the equal sign with the min. We can see that it starts to bring up the function there. Pressing tab, it'll bring it up, and now we're going to highlight all the rows there down the C3, down C14, pressing enter, and we can see now that we have the return value of 25. Looking quickly just up and down the cells, there we can see that 25 is the lowest number, so we know that that's right. To find the maximum number now, we're going to do the same, pressing the equals and typing in max, and once again selecting the rows and pressing enter, and we can see that the highest number within that set of data is 93. At this point then we need to look at how we can now work out the range of that. So if we're going to press the equal sign and we're going to say the 93 minus the 25 is 68, and there we have the range of the numbers between the 25 and the 93. So hopefully this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments below, and we'll hopefully see you again soon.